In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create interactive dashboards with Claude. We'll use Claude to generate a complete, ready-to-run fitness tracking dashboard, then refine it with quick, targeted edits. First, make a prompt. Open a new chat in Claude and clearly tell it what you want. Describe a fitness tracking dashboard built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and ask for a modern, clean, responsive layout. Specify summary cards for total steps, calories burned, workout time, water intake, and sleep hours. Request interactive charts showing weekly progress, daily activity, and workout trends. Include filters to switch between day, week, and month, plus a sidebar or top navigation. Ask it to use sample fitness data so the dashboard is immediately demonstrable, and remind it to keep the code well-structured, beginner-friendly, and ready to run. Being this specific helps Claude produce a coherent design, complete with data, charts, and controls that work together. Next, click Submit. Give Claude a moment to think. It will typically produce organized code blocks with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, along with brief explanations of how everything fits. Now look for the results. Scan the response for the main index file, style rules, and a script that powers the charts and filters. You'll often see a charting library reference included via a CDN link. That's normal. Check that the summary cards match the metrics you requested. The filters let you switch timeframes, and the layout adapts for mobile. Type in Highlight. Use Claude's Highlight and Ask workflow to refine specifics. Select any section of the code or explanation you want to adjust, then type a short instruction, like changing the color palette, increasing card contrast, or renaming a metric label. Focus on one improvement at a time so the updates stay precise. Click on the suggestion that repeats your full dashboard request. This lets you reopen or reapply the original scope if the conversation drifted, ensuring the next revision still targets your fitness tracking dashboard with charts, filters, and navigation as specified. Type in Highlight again to fine-tune behavior. For example, ask to default the filter to week view, tweak chart titles, or improve spacing on small screens. Claude will modify only what you highlighted, keeping the rest intact. Finally, click on Highlight to submit that focused change. Review the updated code it returns, and repeat the highlight cycle until the dashboard looks and behaves the way you want. That's it. Concise prompts, quick submits, targeted highlights, and you'll have an interactive dashboard ready to showcase.